Sunset rhythm on Coral Bay. Yeah, yeah, Coral Bay. Sunset I fall slow, rhythm in the air, love and breeze everywhere. Sunset pouring gold on the water so high, barefoot walking with you right by my side. Palm trees dancing like them know the song. Everything feel like it can't go wrong. Salt in a breeze, it's sweet like wine. Heartbeat racing, your hand in mine. Skies turn red like fire in bloom. Reggae love in a ocean room. Coral Bay whisper my name so clear, saying baby don't bring no fear. Every wave that kiss the shore sound like love knocking at my door. Sunset rhythm on Coral Bay, we lose track of night and day. Hold me close, don't let me stray. Love just dance and fade away. Sunset rhythm, feel the flow. Only love and vibes we know. On the sky that burns so slow, Coral Bay, I steal the show. You smile like sunrise after storm. In your arms I feel so warm. Island breeze mixed with soul so deep. You heal me out when I can't sleep. Drums them beating far away, but your love chase fear away. Seagulls singing harmony, nature plays the melody. We walk where water touch the sun. No need for clock, no need for plan. Just you and me in paradise. Everything soft, everything nice. Sunset rhythm on Coral Bay, we lose track of night and day. Hold me close, don't let me stray. Love just dance and fade away. Oh, the world slow down when you're near me. Nothing else matter when you're here, see. Even the ocean start to pray for love like this every day. No worry, no pain, no fight. Only moonlight, hold we tight. If tomorrow never come true, I still find forever in you. Lantern light flick upon the sun. You take my heart without demand. Every kiss like reggae flame, burning soft but still the same. Coral Bay, hold every dream. Life more sweet than it seems. Rhythm rising from the tide. Love and peace can't divide. Stars them wake one by one. Night so deep but love still strong. In your arms I realize forever live inside your eyes. Sunset rhythm on Coral Bay, we don't need words to say. Every moment here to stay. Love will never fade away. Sunset, Coral Bay, rhythm slow, fade away. Love remain, night and day. Sunset rhythm, always stay. Island breeze and broken chains, yeah. Island breeze and broken chains. Morning light touch my weary face, running from pain, running from disgrace. Heavy heart but I still survive, still breathing, still staying alive. Chains of yesterday hold me tight. Too many days I lost my fight, but the ocean calling my name. saying let it go, no need for fear. Island breeze blowing through my soul, slowly making a broken whole. Every wave like a prayer I hear, washing away the pain and fear. Island breeze and broken chains, healing me from all my pain. Let it go, let it fade away. Sunshine, come and lead the way. Island breeze, set me free. Carry me to who I'm meant to be. No more tears, no more strain, only freedom in the rain. I walk through fire, I walk through shade, carried burdens I can't name, but the sand beneath my tired feet whispers love will make you complete. Palm trees dancing in sacred light, turning darkness into bright. Reggae rhythm in the air, telling me life is fair somewhere. I hear laughter I forgot before, like waves crashing on the shore. Every moment feels so real, like time itself begins to heal. Island breeze and broken chains, healing me from all my pain. Let it go, let it fade away. Sunshine, come and lead the way. Island breeze, set me free. Carry me to who I'm meant to be. No more tears, no more strain, only freedom in the rain. Oh, I release it all tonight, under moon and silver light. No more running from my past, let this peace forever last. Even scars begin to shine, turning pain into divine. I was lost, but now I see, island breeze is rescuing me. Footsteps light on golden sand, new beginning in my hand. Every heartbeat, every sound feels like heaven all around. Chains fall down without a fight, dissolving in the ocean light. I am no longer who I was, I am healed because of love. Island breeze and broken chains, healing me from all my pain. Let it go, let it fade away. Sunshine, come and lead the way. Island breeze, set me free. Carry me to who I'm meant to be. No more tears, no more strain, only freedom in the rain. Island breeze, broken chains, no more, only peace, only love, only freedom forevermore. Yeah, tropical love, it never fades. Under palm trees where the sunlight plays, we found forever in those island days. Ocean whispering secrets in the wind, saying real love never has to end. Your hand in mine like destiny, two hearts dancing in harmony. Every moment feels so divine, like the whole world pausing in time. Golden skies and endless sea, that's where you first said you need me, and I believed every word you gave. Now I know true love don't behave. Tropical hearts never fade, even when the night invades. barefoot on memory sand, writing love with a trembling hand. Every kiss like summer flame, calling softly out my name. Seagulls singing a melody, nature blessing what we be. Even time cannot erase what we built in this place. Distance tried to pull us apart, but nothing changed this tropical heart. You're the rhythm in my soul, you are what makes me whole. Tropical hearts never fade, even when the night invades. Through the storm and through the rain, we still love without the pain. Tropical hearts stay alive, like the ocean they survive. Every wave will bring us home, never broken, never alone. Ours will still remain. Even stars will testify we were written in the sky. Two souls in paradise, living love that never dies. Now I hear your voice in breeze, softly moving through the trees. Every sunset tells your name, nothing ever feels the same. But I know you're still right here in the waves and atmosphere. Tropical love will always stay, never truly fade away. Tropical hearts never fade, even when the night invades. Through the storm and through the rain, we still love without the pain. Tropical hearts stay alive, like the ocean they survive. Moonlight on the island, palms them a dance. Silver moon hanging over the sea, shining down like it calling to me. Palm trees swaying in slow motion light, dancing gently through the warm island night. Ocean humming a soft lullaby, stars awake in the velvet sky. Every breeze feel like a kiss, lost inside a moment like this. Your voice echoing the evening air, like you're standing right here somewhere. But it's only me and the tide and the rhythm I hold inside. Palms dancing in the moonlight, everything feels so right. Waves keep singing soft and low, carrying the love we know. Palms dancing side to side, under the stars we come alive. Moonlight turning night to gold, telling stories never told. Barefoot walking on silver sand, tracing dreams with my lonely hand. Every step feel like a name, burning softly like a flame. I remember how you used to say, love will never fade away. Now I see it in the breeze, moving moving through the coconut trees. Even silence has a sound. When your memory comes around, it wraps me in a warm embrace, like I can still see your face. Palms dancing in the moonlight, everything feels so right. Waves keep singing soft and low, carrying the love we know. Palms dancing side to side, under the stars we come alive. Moonlight turning night to gold, telling stories never told. If you feel me in the dark, it's the fire of my heart. No distance can divide what the moonlight holds inside. Even time slow down tonight, everything bathed in light. Love is never really gone, it just dances on and on. Oh, the island feels so near, every shadow brings you here. In the rhythm of the sea, you are still a part of me. I'm still moving with the wind, like the love we had within. Never lost, just rearranged, but still the same, never changed. Palms dancing in the moonlight, everything feels so right. Waves keep singing soft and low, carrying the love we know. Palms dancing side to side, under stars we come alive. Moonlight turning night to gold, telling stories never told. Yeah. Palms in the moonlight, never stop dancing, never fade. Yeah. Caribbean fire burning inside my soul. Sunrise, sunrise breaking over blue sea line, heart beating fast like it's first time. Island wind blowing through my pain, turning sorrow into flame. I was lost in a storm so deep, couldn't find a way to sleep. But the ocean started to call my name, and everything never stayed the same. Now I feel that burning light, guiding me through every night. Oh, like the rhythm of the shore, oh, calling me forevermore. Caribbean fire in my soul, burning bright, making me whole. Every wave, every time, keeps this fire deep inside. Caribbean fire won't die, it's the reason I survive. From the ashes I will rise, under island skies. Drums them beating in the distance far, like a message from every star, telling me don't give up yet. There's a life I won't forget. Palm trees dancing in the heat, feel the rhythm in my feet. Every heartbeat sync with sound, like paradise all around. You can try to break me down, but I won't touch the ground. Fire stronger than the pain, rising up again and again. Caribbean fire in my soul, burning bright, making me whole. Every wave, every time, keeps this fire deep inside. Caribbean fire won't die, it's ocean spirit by my side. Every step I take, I know this fire will always glow. Nothing here can pull me down. I wear freedom like a crown. Caribbean soul alive. Forever I will thrive. Caribbean fire in my soul, burning bright, making me hold every wave, every tide. Keeps this fire deep inside. Caribbean fire won't die. It's the reason I survive. From the ashes I will rise, under island skies, yeah. Caribbean fire never fades, never dies, only rises in my soul. Yeah, waves of love, rhythm of peace. Oh, waves of love, rhythm of peace. Ocean calling in the morning light, everything feeling soft and right. Barefoot walking where dreams begin, letting the calm come rushing in. Troubled minds start fade away, like the tide wash pain today. Every breath feel clean and new, under sky so wide and blue. Palm trees swaying slow and free, like they know my destiny. No more running, no more fight, only peace inside the night. Waves of love, rhythm of peace, let the healing never cease. Every tide wash fear away, bring me closer every day. Waves of love carry me to the place I'm meant to be, under stars that never lie, in the calm of ocean sky. Drums them beating far and near, but only harmony I hear. Nature singing soft and slow, letting every worry go. I was broken, now I rise, under healing island skies. Every wave becomes a prayer, telling me that love is there. Salt water on my skin feels like healing from within. Every ripple tells a story of redemption, peace and glory. Waves of love, rhythm of peace, let the healing never cease. Every tide wash fear away, bring me closer every day. Waves of love carry me to the place I'm meant to be, under stars that never lie, in the calm of ocean sky. Oh, let the ocean speak to me, set my spirit fully free. No more shadows in my heart, only light that won't depart. Even storms will lose their voice when I make this healing choice. Love is stronger than the pain, like the sunshine after rain. Now I walk on golden shore, searching for nothing more. Everything I need I find, peace of body, soul and mind. Every wave that touches sand feels like God has took my hand.